Alright guys, I got this firewall all ground down from all the mud that they put in here. Not sure why they patched it, but you can see where they welded it all the way around. Had about like an inch thick mud at the bottom, so it kind of dusted the garage. So put you on the tripod and we can get that cut out and welded. I'm going to try to butt weld it. That way I don't have to put as much mud as that they did. But yeah, so I'll get busy working on that. guys, got this patch panel welded in on this firewall here. Turned out pretty nice. At least in my book it turned out nice. We'll take very little filler to make that perfect. So that's done. So now what I want to do, once I get it on the ground, is fix all this little rust holes that are in here, up there, which that's all flat, so that's fine. Shouldn't take too long to do. And then also fix this here on the other side, and on the other side there's like a pinhole right here. So I want to do all that. Fix all these little spots where they bondoed. I think there's one on the other side as well right there. So yeah, I'll get it on the ground. It's supposed to be nice this weekend, so hopefully I can pull it out and clean up this mess that's underneath the car. You know, it's 50 years, 60 years of dirt and road grime and all that adds up. So I'll do that this weekend, get it on the ground and clean. Now I have ordered the inner quarters, which they're supposed to be here Monday, so I went ahead and figured getting new ones of them because they're gonna take a lot of time to fix, plus it'd be a nicer job. So got that to do. Floorboard still, trunk. So she's coming along, because once the rest is done, then I can do suspension. So put the straight axle up front and all that. So thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.